Today I'd like to talk a little about subs and what you could do with it, especially if you want to make them audible on devices like your phone or other devices that have speakers that don't really go as slow as they should or as slow as you'd like them to have, so you actually can hear the sub. So normally you would do that with basically a couple of overtones, which we're doing right now as well. So yeah, I've loaded an operator just with the basic sine wave. That's our sub today, as it should be, just a sine wave, perfect. What you're gonna do, you wanna basically saturate it to get more overtones. So if you do that, you get all those overtones which you then can hear on other devices because they're in a higher frequency spectrum, which is kind of self-explanatory. The thing is though, if you do this directly to the sub, you might lose a little of the lower end of the impact. So that's the rule, that you never have something on your sub. So how we're gonna tackle that is to apply parallel distortion. That's actually quite easy. Just we do something that I always like to do, is we put our saturation plugin. I just took the saturator right here, but you can take whatever you want. It's just to distort, just any distortion plugin basically. That's just easy because it's there. So we put it into a group, open the chains, create another chain which is empty. That's gonna be our dry chain. Let's call that one the wet chain. We're almost done right now already. Now we just have to dial in so it sounds good, and because if we just play it through right now, it actually gets twice as loud, which is plus 6 dB. Right. We don't want it. We don't want it to be twice as loud. That's just stupid. So we solo the wet version, get some drive going on, so we can hear it quite nicely. I mean, I might have overdone it right now, but it's just good, so you can hear it quite well. Also, we're gonna take down the output. So it's just like at the same volume, just distorted. Then something very important is to load up an EQ right here. Then we take out carefully just the first mountain right there. So we only keep the overtones because we only want the overtones on this chain, because on the other chain we still have our sub frequency right there. So we got our sub frequency and extra the overtones, which is extremely cool because now we just can dial the overtones into the sub. So this is our sub. We can just slowly increase the overtones without affecting the sub basically. So this is a very non-destructive way to get to the sub audible without destroying anything. And you'll keep the impact, or actually make it a lot greater, because it goes up to a lot more frequency. The frequency range of the sub is much higher right now, and you can hear it on many more devices. Yo, that's it. Thanks for listening and for watching. I'll see you in the next video.